are going to be doing the Allure Beauty Box unboxing, and this is for July 2018. If you don't know, the Allure Box is $15 a month, and you get a good range of products, sometimes full size. You get makeup, hair care, skin care, and I always really like what's in this box. You can get your first box for $10, and I'll have the link down below. You also get a new member gift for signing up, and they used to send it separately, but I believe they will put it in your first box. Because I had Allure Box last year, and then I canceled it, I had re-signed up. I had gotten the May box for $10, and my new member gift was in there, and it was a face cream. This is always what it looks like. This is how it comes in the mail. All I did was take the plastic off, and when you open it up, it has the little pamphlet on the top, which gives you, inside it gives you the product information. And let's just get right into it. The first thing they're giving us is a $20 gift towards your next full priced order on bubblebar.com. Now, I won't use this, so if anybody does want to use this, take a screenshot of that and feel free to use that code. The first thing I'm gonna grab out is the Olay Regenerous Whip Moisturizer, and this is really good stuff. It is not heavy whatsoever. This is such a light moisturizer. I really like it. I mean, the box is kind of unnecessary because it's just a little tiny bottle at the bottom. I don't know the price of it. All it is on the back of the little magazine. And this is the size that I did try before, and I will tell you, this lasted me like over a month, well over a month, and I was using this in the daytime. It is a really nice whipped formula, and I do have like oily combo skin, and this, I have absolutely no issues with this whatsoever. It doesn't make me break out, and it does not make me look greasy. I mean, it really kind of mattifies the skin a little bit. So the next thing is actually a full-size product. The Organic Pharmacy, and it's the antioxidant lip balm. This is actually $21.50, and it's just basically a balm for your lips. I don't think there's anything really special about it. It's that petroleum-based lip balm, so there's nothing really, there's no color. It just gives you that little bit of shine to it. It's just like a basic balm. It doesn't feel sticky though, which I really like. This is one rich balm. It's so creamy and so hydrating. It's a godsend whenever lips are extra dry, and because it's thicker than 99% of lip balms, it gives lips a more obvious sheen. And if you enter the code Allure18, you'll get 20% off your purchase, and that is at theorganicpharmacy.com. Okay, the next thing is from Makeup Forever, and it is the Artist Color Pencil. And this is in full red, and it comes sealed. It's a good size, you know, it's just a regular pencil. So it says here that this is a very cool concept, a pencil that's designed to be used all over. It's perfect for traveling and executing monochromatic looks. You'll get either a brown shade or a red one. There was a chance that you could have gotten either this red or brown. I would have really liked the brown because I think you have, there's more you can do with the brown. But I mean, I don't have anything like this color, so I mean, I'll definitely use it. You can experiment by using it as lip color, blush, contour, or eyeliner, eyeshadow, or even brow pencil. I guess if you had the brown one, then you could try to use it as a brow pencil. I don't see, you know, using the red one as a brow pencil. It says it's sheerer than a lip or eye pencil, which is exactly what you want when you're using one color in multiple places, so you don't overdo it. Okay, the price of the full size is $18. So after trying to get this open for like 20 minutes, I finally did. And this is what it looks like. It's just a regular pencil that you can actually sharpen, so this will last a really long time, and the tip is very soft. Yeah, it already broke. I barely even pressed down and it broke off already, so not really a good not really a good first impression. I don't really like this pencil because you can see how it's very patchy. I don't know how they say you can use this multiple ways. Yeah, I don't really like this pencil. I will probably not use it. I mean, I'll try it just to say that I gave it a fair shot, but right away it broke off, and yeah, so this isn't the best part of the box, so I'm like okay with that. But it is $18 for the full size, and you can go to makeupforever.com and enter Allure ACP for free shipping. All right, the next thing is something that I've actually tried before, and it's the Way Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. This is a really good travel size. I actually am using this right now because I did receive this either in Birchbox or Ipsy. And first of all, this brand I absolutely love. I'm using the shampoo and conditioner right now. This is a really good thick leave-in conditioner. I mean, you can see in the bottle just how thick it really is, but it sprays on pretty evenly. So the full size is $26, and I know that's a bit pricey, but to me, it's absolutely worth it. If you go to theway.com and enter Allure15, you can get 15% off your purchase. So the next thing we have is from Doucet. It's the Ultra Precision Eyeliner in blue. This is really pretty. This is full size, and I don't have any kind of eyeliner this color. 110% better quality than the Makeup Forever one. Look at how bright that is. That's really pretty. So I'll definitely use this. It's something really different that I normally would never go for. I'm usually a classic black eyeliner or even like a dark brown eyeliner girl, but I am going to jump out of my comfort zone and try this out. If you go to doucet.com, enter I30 to receive 30% off your purchase. That's a really good discount. So it's IEYE 30, and that's at doucet.com. Next thing we have here, I really like this packaging. It's from Feel Rose Petal Facial Mask. It comes in this little resealable pouch, which is good because it's not like a single-use foil packet. You could definitely use this more than once. It's rich in rose petals, rose essential oils, and rose flower extracts. It's highly concentrating toning gel that hydrates deeply, and it's fortified with vitamin E and vitamin C. So basically you'll apply the mask to your dry, clean face, and you'll leave it on for 10 minutes, rinse off, and that's it. So it does smell like roses, but it's not overpowering, which I'm really happy about because you know that rose scent can be a bit overpowering. And you can kind of see that it's like a little gel in there. The full size of this is $55. So I don't know what the value of this is, but that's really expensive. And if you go to thisisfeel.com and enter Allure25, you'll get 25% off any purchase. So that's good too. The next thing is something, I mean, I'm not sure if I'm going to use. I'm not gonna open it up completely because I'll probably put it to the side to give away. This is the Derma E Essentials Mineral Powder, and it has SPF 30. So it comes in this little box like this, and you could basically use this as like a setting powder. For this, it says this finely milled powder is awesome for setting makeup and preventing shine on scorching days when you feel like you're going to melt. And somehow it doesn't make your skin look dull or matte in the process. Plus it's got all natural SPF 30, titanium dioxide and zinc oxide in the formula, and I know that those are the two best ingredients for any kind of sunscreen. It adds extra sun protection on top of your usual sunscreen. So the full size of this is $21.95, and you can go to dermae.com, enter Allure20, and you can get 20% off. Let's see if I can open this without ripping it apart. It's a good little sample size, so I'm not gonna open this up, but it does have like a little sticker seal. Last but not least, which in my eyes is the star of the box, this is something that I have been dying to try, and this product is the reason why I actually signed up for Allure again, because I had seen the next few months of spoilers, and I knew this was gonna be in July, and I didn't wanna miss out on it. And it is the Sunday Riley Luna Retinol Sleeping Oil. This stuff I heard is amazing. It's supposed to be really good for reducing your pore size, and it's something you put on at night. Any kind of oil, you don't need to put a lot on. It has retinol ester and blue tansy, and blue tansy is really good for any kind of redness, inflammation. It's good for pores, and it's also good for oily skin. It says it's a next generation retinoid oil. It reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. And the full size of this is $105. This is the bottle, and this will last quite a while because, like I said, you only need a tiny bit. And I have little bottles like this of the herbivore oils, and I've had them for a while and they have barely made a dent. Luna works throughout the night to deliver visibly more youthful, luminous, even-toned skin in the morning. Trans-retinoic acid ester complex reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while visibly improving 5 signs of premature aging: fine lines, uneven texture, age spots, dryness, and dullness, balanced with blue tansy and German chamomile essential oils to calm the signs of redness and sensitivity. Clinically proven to improve fine lines, radiance, and skin smoothness in 4 weeks. One thing is if you're pregnant, you cannot use any kind of retinol. It's supposed to be not safe for pregnant women. And this was the July Allure box. So we got a pretty good range of products. We got the Sunday Riley, the Derma E powder. We got the Makeup Forever pencil, which was the only thing in this box that I did not like, which is pretty good. Just one product is pretty good. We got the lip balm, the blue eyeliner, the leave-in conditioner, the face mask, and then the Olay whip. That's a lot of products. I think for $15, this was really, really good. Plus you got that $20 coupon. So overall, do I think this subscription box is worth it? Absolutely, especially because you can get that first box for $10. Leave the comments down below. Tell me what you think about this box, and otherwise, look out for my next video. I will see you guys then. Hope you have a great day. Bye.